laps. Goggles down, thumbs up. Arm your quads. Live on the tone, lesson 5. Yeah, buddy, off to the races again. What I love about this next 16, and this is the bulk of your field at any event. We always have those pro pilots at the top, they're just killing, but then you have the bulk of the field that all have similar lap times. How fun is it to race them all together head-to-head? Blade-to-blade battles, that's what this whole weekend has been about, and we're down to 3 already. McCormick Emge up in a net just when I learned to say his name, and we'll pretend we don't see them trying to get him back in this race. I pretend I didn't see that. I will see this battle for the 1-2 between Crete 6 just ahead of Quicklax, and Quicklax succumbing to the pressure, as does Crete 6, and now, holy guy, Quicklax trying to straighten out. Linens was in the thick of things. Wow, this is demo drones right now. Here comes Quicklax, your leader after 1. White flag flying. It's a 2-lap race in our next 16 brackets. The 2019 Collegiate Drone Racing Championship, hosted by the University of North Dakota, this gorgeous high-performance center. Now we're seeing high-performance drone racing to round out Championship Sunday. Sunday fun day. Every day's a great day for a drone race. And our judges are losing their minds right now, oohing and on, trying to decipher what they are seeing on those beautiful HP sound and lighting screens. Getting ready to wave a checkered flag. Linen's getting onto that lead lap with Quicklax. 33 seconds separating first and second. That's not judging, it's just a stat. McCormick Emge getting onto the lead lap as well. So 3 pilots on lap number 3, chasing Quicklax, who's in the back left-hand corner of our field, about to go over the test site hurdle. Now that's split S, and let's give him the win of heat number 2. Quicklax getting across the line. He was the 7th overall seed. He's going to win this one. Split C uprights, they like that. Waiting, we still have a battle here for second, third, Linens and McCormick Emge. That's for the transfer position to go up in our winners bracket. Look at this, both of them through the dive gate. It'll be Linens just ahead of McCormick Emge. McCormick Emge has to go back for it. Linens now with about a 2-gate lead. McCormick Emge sees them. They're through that stitch it up section. Just one of the gates separating. And oh no, Linens with a mistake on the carousel on the back left-hand side. And McCormick Emge just flew over the downed Linens. McCormick Emge is looking pretty good to finish this one in the number 2 spot. Split S to our checkered gate. Second place going to McCormick Emge. Third going to Linens, and fourth going to Crete 6. Very nice, very, very nice. Quicklax and McCormick Emge, you're going to heat number 6. Linens and Crete 6, you're going to go to heat number 5. And stand by, we may have channel changes as I have to manually do the old